to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to give you a treat. I'm going to show you how you can make a facial scrub that can be doubled as a facial mask. This is not any ordinary scrub. It's a scrub that is good for oily skin. It helps to get rid of blackheads and whitehead. It also helps to hydrate the skin, and it also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. You can use it to exfoliate the skin, and then you can leave it on the skin for 30 minutes, and that is going to help to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. A simple recipe with a very big bang. This can help to transform your skin once you use it at least 2 to 3 times a week. So if you're looking to make a DIY facial scrub that you can use also as a facial mask, I'm going to share the recipe with you right now. So do not click off, continue watching for the full detailed recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch the video to the end.
For this recipe, you're going to need a small blender or a grinder. And my first ingredient is going to be some oatmeal. Any oatmeal, old-fashioned, quick minute, whatever you call it, just get some oatmeal. We're using the oatmeal for is skin tightening, skin firming properties. It also have absorbing properties. Therefore, it have to get rid of grease and dirt from the skin. It contains exfoliating properties which have to get rid of dead skin cells. I'm using about a 1/4 cup of the oatmeal, and what I'm going to do with this, I am going to blend it to a powder. If you're using a grinder, go ahead and grind this to a powder. Grind, 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 grind. All right, so now take a look, guys. Here we have our blended oatmeal, but we're not done with the blending as yet. I am going to be using some green tea. And I don't have loose leaf today, so I'm using a tea bag. But if you have the loose leaf, use a tablespoon in this recipe. Why did I choose green tea? Because it is rich in antioxidant. Antioxidant that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Antioxidant that help to reduce oil and grease from the skin. When I mix this green tea with this oatmeal, it can help to transform the skin if you use it on a regular. Now, 1 tablespoon of loose leaf or 1 tea bag, which is about a teaspoon of green tea. Now, guess what, guys? You're there and you're thinking, I don't have green tea. I can't make this recipe. Not to worry, guys. You have any whole Tetley tea in your kitchen? Any tea bag with black tea? Go ahead and pour it in this. Pour it in this and blend it with that oatmeal. And I forgot, if you don't have oatmeal, use some rice for this recipe. So now that this is fully blended to a powder, and look at this. Look how nice this is looking right now. Real powder form. You can choose to just put this in your refrigerator just like this in a Ziploc bag, and whenever you're ready to use it, you take it out and you add the liquid to it, meaning that you can carry this any way you want to go. Yes, carry it with you, add water to it or add other liquid to it, use it on your face, and you're all set. What I'm going to use in this today is some yogurt. And if you do not have yogurt, don't worry either. Use some soy milk, or even use some cottage cheese in this, right? Now, I chose the yogurt because of the lactic acid. The lactic acid, when mixed with the green tea and the oatmeal, is gonna help to clear that dead skin cells, clean out that grease and dirt and blackhead from your pores. You have rough skin, you have textured skin, it's gonna help to smooth the skin. You just have to use it on a regular. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of the yogurt. If you're using milk or any other ingredient, use about 1 tablespoon, roundabout, or round about 2 tablespoons. You know, you just test it. Now, I'm going to add some hydrating property to this. And I'm going to be using some rose water, of course. Rose water balance that natural pH levels of the skin. It's good to use as a standalone because you can just splash it on your skin. You can use it to wipe your face. You can put some in the refrigerator and chill it and spritz it on your face when the time gets warm, or you can use it in this DIY that we are making today. So 2 tablespoons of the rose water. And now guess what? We are gonna mix it up. Yes, We are gonna mix, and we are gonna mix well. Nice and creamy. That's how we like it. Nice and creamy. This is just an amazing facial mask that will get you singing just like I am doing right here. A simple facial mask with a very, very, very positive effect on the skin. So once this is totally blend, what I like to do with this, I like to set it aside a little bit. I like to set it aside for about an hour for it to infuse, and then I go back and look at this, guys. We're applying this to clean skin. Make sure to wash your face first, okay? And then you use it on the skin. So just rub it on the skin in circular motion, and it's really thick. And don't be sitting there talking about why you didn't try it on your face today. I tried early on my face. That's why we have the front of the video. All right, so we are gonna just rub it on the face, exfoliate the face. Don't forget your neck, okay? And don't let this one get in your eyes, but rub it on the face, the neck, and get rid of those black neck, okay? Go all the way down on the décolleté with it. And once this is done, guess what? You can choose to rinse off if you're using it as a scrub, or you can choose to leave it on the skin for at least 30 minutes. This is a mask that's going to dry on the skin. And when it is drying on the skin, you're going to feel that tightening sensation on the skin. Yes, you're gonna feel that tightening sensation. Not to worry. How do you get this off your skin? You do so by just rinsing it off with some cold water. And who don't like cold water, especially when it's warm? So just splash on that cold water, rinse off, and guess what? Your skin is now ready to drink up your toner, your serum, and your moisturizer. Store the leftovers in the refrigerator. 2 to 3 times per week is all you need for this, and you're on your way to transforming your skin. You're on your way to gorgeous. Did I say gorgeous? You're on your way to gorgeous looking skin.